Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. I have breaking news for you. William Saliba has been tested positive for COVID-19. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like content like this or you want to hear further content, breaking news, anything Arsenal, everything Arsenal. Now, William Saliba has been tested positive for COVID-19 and he will miss the Marseille clash. William Saliba would have to isolate for 10 days. This is according to L'Equipe from in the France media outlet. Now, OGC Nice will have to do without Arsenal loanee William Saliba for weekend's match against Marseille. After he tested positive for COVID-19, the player will have to isolate for the next 10 days. Due to the timing of the international break, William Saliba won't have to miss any further club fixtures as long as he recovers well. 10 days only takes us to March 29th, and Nice don't play again until the 4th of April. But Arsenal fan knows it's not always so simple to return from a COVID absence. Gabriel Magalhaes missed a few games in December early in January, but took at least another month to get him back to his best. The combination of the impact of the virus and the fact that he have missed out on the squad training completely for 10 days obviously won't help. Hopefully, Nice will ease Saliba back in and make sure he has all the support he needs. So get well soon, William Saliba. Hopefully he recovers well, and he has been in really good form. As you guys know, I've been covering William Saliba since his arrival at Nice. Hopefully William Saliba will be eased back into the squad and he will get well soon. So guys, thank you very much for listening. Please hit the like button on the video before you go. And this has been Military Guna TV, and guess what, I am out.